our left, Complex blue on our right.
All right, guys.
Looks to be a 5-on-5 breakout. Avalanche did lose someone on the Dorito side.
Looks.
5-on-4.
Yeah, 5-on-4 in favor right now. Complex blue. Is that Nick there in the center?
That is Nick in the
okay.
center.
And who's the player here for Avalanche in the Snake Tower?
It looks like that might be Travis Cannon.
Okay, I was gonna say it kind of looks like him, but couldn't quite tell. Looks like Nick's gonna go ahead and give him that center 50, and Avalanche is gonna go ahead and fill in the Snake at the same time, and Complex losing a body now, 4-on-4. Good positioning here. And Avalanche player here needs to kind of recognize that, yeah, the tower's there. He's waiting for him to go. Oh, and Avalanche player does not get shot in on that snake 3. But why do you go out to the corner? He should have just stayed there in that tower.
I don't know why.
Yeah, he should have just stayed there. Oh, but Nick's moving. But Nick made a good move there. He switched to the other side. Oh, but now they're on their side, and he got eliminated. Yep.
He ran through, and Nick was laying on this valley. He didn't even see him in there.
Yep.
I think they lost Nick in the center right now. There it is.
Oh, good. Nick got that shot in there on the snake now. Nick having a point. Nick actually retreated back to the tower and then came onto the snake side, so that was a good move at the time. Good timing.
I believe he just shot the Dorito side out. He did.
Yep. So I think leaving one body, maybe 2 bodies left alive for Complex. I can't quite tell.
It's 2 bodies alive for Complex. I think it's only 2 bodies alive for Avalanche as well, right?
There's a Dorito corner for Avalanche, and a that Nick's in that snake side brick at the 50.
And for Complex, they have the snake side tower and Dorito 1, and they are crossed up.
Yeah.
2 good bunkers to be in.
Actually, Avalanche has three bodies. You also have the snake corner.
Who's out there? Oh, that's actually out in the Dorito.
Is that Robert?
Yeah, it's Robert Crody.
Okay. So Robert's over there in the Dorito corner. Avalanche has the Dorito corner, snake corner, and the center 50 brick. 2 bodies left alive for Complex. And it's just the snake tower and the Dorito corner.
I think I hear them calling out their Cobra. I don't think they have the kill count right.
Yeah. Yeah,
they are shooting at the Cobra.
Yep. They think it's a 3-on-3, but it's actually a 3-on-2. Mr. Cannon over here for Avalanche in the snake 3. See if he can get a shot in on that tower. Oh, he gets hit.
Looked right down to the first ball. Oh, man.
Nick's gonna. So now what turned into a 3-on-2 now is a 2-on-1.
2-on-1 with Robert in the corner.
Yep. Oh, and Robert just got hit in the loader. And a concession.
I guarantee Avalanche is gonna want that point back. They were definitely bodies for majority of the point.
So you had the one down the Dorito side, and you had these 2 right here.
Okay. The coach is saying that the snake player shot across field and killed the player running down, low key. So that would automatically.
But it doesn't. But hey, that doesn't matter because, okay, so if the guy on the Dorito side had the hit, okay, you had 2 snake guys over here. That's pulling the major.
The play, penalty was on this.
Yeah.
Confused on where I'm throwing it.
Yep.
The penalty's going this way.
Yep.
The player did shoot him from across.
Yep.
And then that player shot him.
Yep.
And then we pulled the 2.
Yep.
Avalanche has Arvid walking off from the home. Looks like a 5-on-4 Complex. Oh, Complex is losing someone out of the center.
Yep.
Complex does got some real estate on the Dorito side. He's up in that Dorito wedge. Avalanche filling into the Dorito. He's at the Dorito 2.
Yep, Dorito 2. I'll swap over there real quick.
Ooh, Nick
Oh.
shot out of the center.
Yep. Now Complex is going to get up in there, but Avalanche has a player in the same or in a wedge 2. But he's going to revert back to the inside Dorito. He's going to wait for that player to come down that Dorito side. Oh, Complex player's running around. He's waiting for the Avalanche player to go make that move up into that next wedge. Posted up on it. The Complex fills out into the Dorito corner. Also has a player there in the back center.
Is that a 3-on-2 or a 4-on-2?
I think it's 3 for sure, but I can't tell if there's a 4. Nope, 4. Yep, 4. 4-on-2 in favor of Complex right now. Complex is going to lose their Dorito corner, though. Now a 3-on-2. Player here for... he's going to get eliminated. The Avalanche player is from that center 50. Complex with 3 players.
And I believe that's Braden Harris.
Is it just Braden Harris
Just
left?
Braden Harris.
Okay. Because Complex is acting like there's still a snake corner. The guy there in the center 50. I don't know what he's doing. We'll see if Braden can get a shot in on one of these Complex guys. But the rest of the Complex guys need to catch up to whoever's there in that center 50. Because he's going to... Oh, and Braden's going to get him. Or sorry, Braden's going to get eliminated. No, there is another body left alive for Avalanche.
Oh, you had the sneak insert.
Okay, that's what I was wondering. I was like...
He's having marker problems because I haven't heard anyone shoot him.
Yep. Oh, yep.
Avalanche went 4 markers up on the break. But Complex took some serious ground up the middle. He's at that snake side brick. And Avalanche did lose the body. And Avalanche just got into that.
Oh, and here comes Nick.
Here he comes. He's looking, and there he goes.
And here comes Nick. He's going to get a free kill right there out of the center 50.
They swapped him. They actually put Dallas in there.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, they put Dallas at the center.
Bobby running in to go check a player. And if he's got a hit, he's going to get a penalty, and he gets a penalty.
I believe there's only one ball.
Oh, yep. Player had a hit. Sorry, that was Alicia running in and grabbing that player.
There goes Everett and the snake. Trying to make his way down. There's Braden going to clear the field.
Yep.
And they're going to keep letting Everett crawl.
They're like, hey, bro. And he's like, oh, guys, why don't you tell me it's snack time?
Yeah, he's a little tired after that one.
All right, Avalanche, as long as this is good, they're going to get a point on the board and make this 2-1, be down by 1, not with 1:31 left, so plenty of game time left to score a point. All right, Complex, see if what they're going to give us. And they're 5 guns up, getting out into that snake insert. Avalanche getting out into that snake corner. Bubba's going to run and check him, and he is out. And that looks like a possible minor. Yep, minor on the Avalanche player, getting out to the corner, still shooting his gun, had a hit. All right, 3 bodies left alive for Avalanche. Avalanche going to go ahead and send it on up into the center 50, but Complex player walking off the field, and just under a minute left in game time. 4 on 3 in favor of Complex right now. I'm counting. Yeah, there's a snake insert. There's snake insert, snake tower. Is that Robert?
That is Robert.
Okay.
Robert,
Yep.
Braden, and Dallas still in.
Gotcha.
And
So.
Robert looks like he's trying to
Oh.
here.
Oh, he's going to get him.
Ooh. He's lucky he didn't get a minor there.
Yep. Oh, 2 bodies walking off for Complex. So now 2 on 2. Oh, another player, another ref running in to go check the brick player. He's clean for Avalanche. 2 on 2.
Here comes
15 seconds.
Down the same side here.
Yep.
Oh,
He's going to get eliminated. Yep. Not enough time left now.
Great match for Complex.
And looks like Avalanche is trying to key up on a player, but they lost a Dorito guy. Oh, and Robert Cordy gets eliminated out of the back center for Avalanche. And here comes a player up for ICT Weekend Warriors. And Warriors going to get eliminated, taking a little bit too much of a bite right there. And Avalanche is going to go ahead and get up there in a Snake 2. As Avalanche is going to lose their Dorito 2 player, leaving just the tower and the Snake 2 here. I can do that. I can show more D side. Not much going on here right now on D side. You got Warriors back there in the Dorito corner. Right there you can kind of see the Weekend Warriors player there in the D side 50 brick shooting across the field at the Snake. Dorito side player here for the Weekend Warriors is going to make a move up, but now Avalanche is going to fill back over to the back center. And he needs to get out over to the can as quickly as possible, but it's either a 2-on-2 or a 3-on-2 in favor of the Warriors. And here comes a player now for, it looks like Kelby Kircher there for the Weekend Warriors coming up that Dorito side. And there's going to be a concession there. Point going to the Warriors, making that 2-0 right now. Will you make an announcement that we're doing lunch after not this set but the next one?
Yeah, so when I call the set, I'll say we're taking a lunch break.
Okay, cool. All right, guys, we're going to switch over to the Dorito while Thacker works on that camera. Right now, what you're seeing is Tyler Mullen for Weekend Warriors making a fill over into the snake insert. Warriors also have a player over here in the Dorito 1 and the Dorito corner in the back center. But nobody in snake yet for either team. But Avalanche does have a player up there in the center 50. Looks like Braden Harris up here in the snake side tower, holding down that snake lane, making sure hopefully no one gets in. One of the Avalanche players walking off the Dorito side, but now Avalanche has a player making in the snake 3 now. He's going to start wrapping. Come on, go, 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 go. There he goes. Here comes the Avalanche player into the 50 snake. Braden Harris making a fill all the way over to the Dorito corner. Watching 2 Avalanche bodies walk off and trying to figure out where they got shot from. Oh, Avalanche player needs to be real careful because there's a snake corner for the Warriors. He's going to crawl the length of the field. He should have just crawled the length of the field, because now they know that he's there in their side. And Braden's making moves up there. It's a 3-on-2 right now. Oh, and don't do that. Now Owen's going to make a move out into the snake corner. But Braden's going to get eliminated, though, off that Dorito side, leaving just this Avalanche player left. Warriors. Oh, ref running in to check him out. And here come Avalanche going. Losing the Dorito guy, though. Here comes another Avalanche player up in the center 50. Ref running in to go check a player, and if he has a hit... Rub, okay. Oh my goodness. He gets taken out. Looking at 4 bodies left alive here for Weekend Warriors. 4 bodies left alive for Avalanche. Avalanche is trying to push the envelope and try to dig these guys out to get another point on the board. Here comes Braden Harris up the Dorito side right now. Braden honestly just needs to keep rapping and going. Put that home in. Yep. And player for Avalanche is going to get eliminated. And it's going to drop that down. And then this is going to be the end of that game.
Okay, here we go. Avalanche PB versus the Goodfellas. Avalanche PB on the right and the Goodfellas on the left. Goodfellas breaking out to the Snake Temple, Snake Insert, the home, the Dorito 1, and the Dorito side can. Avalanche PB going into the center can.
They lost their home player,
lost
though.
Their home player. The Snake corner, the Dorito.
Oh, there's a player getting called out on the Dorito side with a minor. That ref had to come in from a little ways to call that one.
Ooh. 2 bodies dropping for the fellers. Avalanche PB looking to capitalize on that penalty there. Goes out of the Snake corner into the Snake one. Bob and I were having this discussion, Tim. If we were to label this layout, would we use that knuckle there as Snake 1 or the W there as Snake 1?
The knuckle.
The knuckle?
Yeah, why would you not call the first one?
I don't know, just asking the question.
Both of you would have known if you were at practice last weekend.
Oh, practice, All right, Goodfellas holding it off a little bit here. We got the Snake corner, the Temple in the middle, and is it the Dorito side can there, I think?
Yes. Yep. What's that? See, nobody looking this way.
No, Avalanche, PB, guy in the middle is going to get got.
Yeah, Snake player was going to get him. Nobody watched him go in.
Oh, he's not happy about it either.
No. Snake player here for Goodfellas. Oh, dude, does that guy know? He's got to know.
He's got it.
He's got it. He's got to know. But he's not looking this way. Come on, Goodfellas, bump 1 spot.
Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
Yeah, but they lost the guy in the Dorito side can.
Well, that's not going to help. But look at this.
Yeah.
Just bump 1, man.
Oh, Juan's going in to give him a little look.
Oh, he's just getting a better angle.
All right. Avalanche, get down the Snake. Let's do it. Come on. Yep. There you go. Good move. Oh,
they just shot the guy on Dorito side. Yeah. It's got down to
they're both looking at the Dorito side, which no one is inhabiting.
It's down to a 2-on-2, right?
Oh,
look at there. Did he get him?
Oh, got.
Oh, he did. He got him. That's what I was waiting on for a while. The home guy, the guy that just moved to the home, I don't think knows that he's right here. The Snake. Let's see what. Oh, why are you doing? Exchange? Oh, okay. Wow, Goodfellas turning it around.
Okay, Goodfellas.
Both teams had a binder, but it was. I thought it was in Avalanche's.
The fellers will win by concession on that point.
The fellers.
Okay, Goodfellas on the right, Avalanche PB on the left. Goodfellas taking a good old bite up the middle. Uh-oh, but they're signaling.
Oh, there's a lot of waving going on. Oh, dude in the center, yep. And someone from the back died, too, for the Goodfellas. Yeah. Another one.
3 bodies dropping within 30 seconds. You don't want to see that. Avalanche PV making a move up to the gut. 2 bodies up to the gut. And one of them shot Bubba, the referee, while they were doing it. Ha! Bubba, what a loser. You know, I'm surprised Avalanche PB didn't try to make a move into the snake.
I'm surprised they're playing as slow as they are with only 2 Goodfellas guys left. But look, they lost their snake insert guy. This is what happened last time.
Silly.
They just start falling apart, which, man, right now, he can't make the move, the Goodfellas player over here into the snake because of that center brick.
Yeah, oh yeah. And then they
There's
lose
a body, so it's going to leave 1 dude left.
Oh, and he gets toasted. Toasted.
Yeah.
Alright. Avalanche PB player coming and he's saying, come check me out before I touch his clothes. And you're gonna hit that. Point approved there. It's gonna tie the Goodfellas up with Avalanche. Avalanche PB scoring that point. Avalanche versus the Goodfellas. Goodfellas on the left.
Look at this run. Look at this run into the
Oh!
snake. That guy in the
Didn't
tower
make it.
miss him? Yeah, dude in the tower didn't get that shot. Which
That was
I mean,
cool.
you're probably not landing for there. You're probably shooting over his head. But 2 players got to die for the Goodfellas.
Yeah.
3, was that the 3rd?
Oh, and then Avalanche is taking a big bite up the gut too. He gets his body doing that.
Another Goodfellas. There's only going to leave the home player left.
I'd like to see. Yeah.
Yeah, they're going to concede, yeah.
Exactly. I would also have liked to seen
Avalanche going to hit that snake insert. So is the Goodfellas. Goodfellas sent 2 players through that same lane. They did lose a guy going out to the snake corner this time. And they're going to refill that snake corner. Avalanche losing one of their Dorito players, leaving them with 4 bodies. They've got the can in the middle of the field, the tower on the snake side, the home, and the snake insert. And then over here on Goodfellas, they're just now lost another body out there in the Dorito corner. They're going to have the snake corner, the can on the Dorito side, and this tower here on the snake side. Avalanche going to run all the way up to the middle. They're going to double those up. Okay, we have another Avalanche player kind of playing inside the little goat pen there. And he's going to get shot trying to do too much. Up by a point, there's a decent amount of time, but the move I don't think is there in the center to get shot by both sides of the field. Here we go. Avalanche going to go into the snake 1, crawling up to the snake 2.
anything cool happened while I was gone, Tim?
No, I called the center the goat pen.
Ooh, it is kind of a goat pen.
Who is... Yeah, it's kind of just dragging it out now.
Yep.
Been going on for, about 2 minutes so far on this point.
Ooh.
Oh, that was a good
Good
shot.
shot,
I think
too.
that was from the snake, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. So the Goodfellas have a guy in the Dorito 2.
In the
in
snake
the
corner.
Snake corner. I'd like to see some people get up in that goat pen.
Well, the guy did it, and it's a wrong time. It wasn't, still too many bodies alive. You weren't really hiding from anything. Because he was standing straight up, too. Here we go. This snake player, again, keep going, man. Get up against that beam and keep
Yeah,
going.
let's
You
go.
can't get shot.
Let's go. You can even take the inside there, can't you?
Well, that's what I'm saying from the inside.
Yeah.
Don't, the outside, the
The
corner can get a shot in on him. I was gonna say you have to come out wide to shoot back at that corner, but see, there you go. No, he's gonna take it anyway. Yeah, he just checked off that second wedge. Now he's shooting back at the first one.
Oh, bad death.
Oh,
Two
yeah.
bad deaths from Avalanche players.
Yeah, and then
But the snake did shoot the guy in the Dorito.
oh, so it's a 1-on-1. It was a 3-on-2 though.
Oh, good shot.
There it
from the,
was. Yeah, the snake player had a
from
good
Avalanche.
game. You see his name on his jersey? I don't know who that is.
Oh, I can't read, Tim.
Reading's hard. Well, that's gonna give. They're gonna concede. That's gonna give Avalanche another point.
Goodfellas going out to the snake corner, pointing at his lens and asking if he got hit. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. One death for each side, both off snake side.
Lanes are starting to get locked in over there off the break on the snake side.
Look at this. Look at this. I can see this from the Dorito side again. Here you go.
Oh, here
both
we go.
guys in the center.
Here we go. Who's going to figure it out first, Tim?
I've got a feeling you have Avalanche. Here he comes.
Yep.
And he got it. Yeah, I was going to say, the way his body language was going, he was looking for the correct moment to go do that. But here's the deal. You shoot the guy, they don't have anybody wide, and then he went to the inside.
Yeah, but I think he was trying to catch Ziggy in the snake.
Yeah, but he would have shot the... What was that? He would have shot the guy filling out to Dorito corner.
1 minute
What
left
I was
here.
getting at.
The Goodfellas need to make a move.
Here you go.
Yep,
Body.
Here's the move. Bang, bang.
Yep. Exchange.
Oh, I don't. Yeah, Ziggy didn't know that there was a guy in the corner. Oh, running into some trouble over here. Where's the guy for the Goodfellas in the Dorito?
For the Goodfellas, he's in the corner.
Dorito, yeah, one corner.
Yeah, one or the corner, whatever you want to
Corner.
call it.
Some kind of triangle-shaped object over there. Yeah, Avalanche, PB, chill out. I'd just chill. Let time go. The player down there for Avalanche who's standing by the buzzer has a little something sus on his hopper.
Uh-oh. Well, it's nothing. Oh, it's a sticker.
Oh.
Wow. With only 8 seconds left, so that's going to do it on that game.
There does it. Avalanche PB wins against the Goodfellas.
All right, guys, we are back. Got Avalanche on our left, SK on our right, and SK is going to get eliminated. Avalanche going to go ahead and get the snake. Two more players walking off for SK, and looks like there's going to be a concession. Avalanche is going to get shot out at Dorito corner. And ref running in to go check the SK player. One SK player walking off. Maybe two. Yep. Jerry's going to get eliminated, but there's going to be, he's looking for the, is he looking for a flag? Yep, minor. How's that guy just blow? Yeah, blow the horn. All right, Avalanche on your right, SK on your left. Both teams breaking out 5 alive, with Avalanche up there in the center 50 on the Dorito side. Avalanche is pretty much in the driver's seat on this point. Avalanche over here in the snake corner. SK has a body here in the snake too. Avalanche is looking to hop that beam, and he is. Tristan's gonna get him. Snake player, you can just go ahead and get down here. Avalanche gonna lose another player off that Dorito side. And another one out of the cam. Leaving just the snake corner. Like SK could potentially put up a point here. I think it's a 4-on-1. All right. All right. SK on the left, Avalanche on the right. Game's at 2-1. Referee, you can go check the snake insert player for SK. He's clean. All right, Caleb Gus is going to take the walk. And Jerry out of the Dorito side for SK. just under 3 minutes here. Tristan's going to make it out to the snake corner. And they're going to concede. All right. SK needs to really try and put a point on this, but they are going to get taken out. And yep, there's a penalty. Not sure who got that.